Hello friends, after successful completion of the exercise 6.1 and 6.2 from the topic lines and planes, now we are in a position to start the miscellaneous exercise 6a. Yes, in this exercise we will be requiring only two concepts. I hope you remember that concept. One is the equation of line in the vector form and another is in the Cartesian form. Okay, so I will be writing this vector form and it's in the Cartesian form. Trust me, you require only these two formulas throughout this exercise, miscellaneous exercise. What is the vector equation? So it is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, where a bar is what? It is the point through which your line is passing, and b bar is what? It is a parallel vector to the line. And what is the Cartesian equation? It is a x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b and equals to z minus z1 by c, where x1, y1, z1 are nothing but the point through which your line is passing, and this a, b, c are nothing but the direction ratios of parallel vector. So if you compare these to vector form and Cartesian form, you will find this point and this point both are same, and this parallel vector and this parallel vector both are same. Okay, so in one of my video I have given you how to convert the vector form into the Cartesian form and the Cartesian form into vector form. So it's very important to know all these concepts. Okay, so I hope you all okay with this concept. Now let's get started with the miscellaneous exercise 6a. First question. The first question is, let me copy this first question and let me paste here. The first question is like this. So from this video onwards we'll be copying and pasting the questions. Okay, find the vector equation of a line. See, understanding the question is very important. Find the vector equation of a line passing through the point. Means what? This point should be a point. Okay, the position vector is given like this. So this is my point a, and parallel to this vector means the parallel vector I already told you it is a b bar. So they are asking for the vector equation. You know that vector equation is what is the vector equation? It is r bar is equals to. So first of all we will write what are the given information. So a bar is equals to what? It is a 3i plus 4j minus 7k, and what is b bar is? B bar is equals to 6i minus j plus k. So this is the point through which line is passing, and this is the parallel vector. So we know that the vector form of the line is what? It is a bar plus lambda b bar, which is equals to 3i plus 4j minus 7k plus lambda into bracket 6i minus j plus k. That's it. This is my answer to this question. It's very simple. Okay, do not worry about this lambda. If we have some other information in the equation, with that we can easily find out the value of lambda. Okay, perfect. So this is my final answer is for this question. Let's take the second question now. Find the vector equation of line which passes through the point this and parallel to this some another vector. Okay, let's see what it says. Okay, find the, okay, let me have some space here. Find the vector equation. Okay, they are asking for the vector equation of a line which passes through the point. Okay, now tell me what is this, a or b? So it is, of course it is a bar and is a parallel to the vector. So parallel vector is always what? It is a b bar. Okay, so again we can write simply that given is what? Okay, so here we have given, it is a bar is equals to, see the point is given in terms of the coordinates. Okay, so we have to write it in the position vector. So it becomes 3i plus 2j plus k. Okay, and what is b bar? B bar is nothing but 2i plus 2j minus 3k. Perfect. So we know that the vector equation is given as a bar equals to, sorry, r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar. So it is nothing but 3i plus 2j plus k plus lambda into b bar is what? It is a 2i plus 2j minus 3k. That's it. This is my answer. Boss kuch nahi karna hai, just we have to understand the given question and we have to find out the value of a and b. That's it. Nothing more than that. Okay, perfect. Now let's see the question number 3. Okay, So let me copy again question number 3. Perfect. Okay, let me have the space here. Okay, let's paste this question. Now let's find the, now they are asking for the Cartesian equation. Okay, find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point. Tell me which point it is. Of course it is a point A and parallel to the line. Yes, this is my B bar. But they have given this B bar in the Cartesian form, and you know that if the Cartesian form is given of a line, then the denominators are what? These are nothing but the direction ratios of the line B bar. Okay, perfect. So how we can write here? So given information is what? It is a given is what? It is a point is given, which is nothing but -2 plus 4 and -5. Okay, so this is what the given line, and the direction ratios of B you can easily find out. The direction ratio of B bar is what? These are nothing but the denominators of the equation of line, which is nothing but 3, 5, 6. Perfect. Now tell me, if our line, this desired line, is a parallel to this line, now tell me then what will be the direction ratio of the desired line? Of course same rahega. Kyun? We know that the parallel lines will have same direction ratios. Okay, so I will write here parallel lines have same direction ratios. So this concept we have already studied in the vectors. So how we write the equation of a line in the Cartesian form? So this is nothing but x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. Perfect. Now let's substitute the values of x1, y1, z1 and abc. So these are nothing but my x1, y1, z1. So x minus plus 2 upon a is what? This is a, b and c. So it is upon 3 equals to y minus 4 upon 5 equals to z minus plus 5 upon 6. That's it. This is my answer, boss. Nothing to worry. It's very simple. It's very simple. I'm telling you again and again. Just we have to find out the 2 points here. That is first one A and the another one is the vector B bar. That's it. Okay, perfect. Now let's see the question number 4. Obtain the vector equation. Okay, we will obtain it definitely. No worries. Let's take the space here. Perfect. Obtain the vector equation of line. So this, tell me what form of this line is given. So this is in terms of the Cartesian form they have given. Okay, now we have to convert it into vector form. Okay, you know that the vector form is what? Okay, given equation of line is what? It is a x plus 5 upon 3. Okay, so upon 3 equals to y plus 4 upon 5 equals to z plus 5 upon 6. Now tell me what will be the point coordinates which through which this line is passing. So that is nothing but this is -5, -4 and this is a -5. Okay, so the point A becomes what? It is -5 comma -4 comma -5. How I write this? I have compared this equation of line with the standard equation x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. I have compared this equation with this equation. So I get the value of x1, y1, z1. As these are the plus, I am having the minus here. Okay, now what are these values then? 5, 3 and 6. So these are nothing but the a, b, c values. Perfect. So these are nothing but the direction ratio of this line, so which is 3 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now vector equation is what? It is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, where a bar is what? The point through which is passing. So write down this a bar as it is minus 5y minus 4j minus 5k in bracket plus lambda into b bar is what? Write down the b bar in terms of the direction ratios. So it becomes 3i plus 5j plus 6k. That's it. This is my answer, boss. Ho gaya khatam. We have done nothing here. Okay, just we are concentrating on the point through which our line is passing and the parallel vector. दो ही points important है अपने लिए, the point and the parallel. Point, parallel. Point, parallel. ये दो ही पॉइंट हम लोग फोकस कर रहे हैं. परफेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 अगेन. So question number 5 says, it's very simple again. पेस्ट हो जा भाई. चलो, find the vector. Okay, so first focus on what they are asking. They are asking for vector equation of a line which passes through the point, passes through the origin. Okay, origin मतलब 0, 0, 0 and the point 5, -2 and 3. Okay, here they are given two points through which your line is passing. Okay, so this one is a origin O 0, 0, 0 and this is the point 5, -2, 3. We have to find out the equation of this line. Okay, now tell me, if the two lines are given, if the 2 points are given, then can we find out its direction ratio? Yes, simply if the 2 points are known, then we can find out the direction ratios. So the direction ratio of this line will be what? It is equals to x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. This is what the direction ratio of this line. What is x2? x2, y2 and z2, x1, y1, z1. Okay, so let's substitute here. 5 minus 0 comma -2 minus 0 comma 3 minus 0. So this becomes 5 comma -2 comma 3. This is nothing but the direction ratios of my line. Okay, this line. Okay, and the point through which your line is passing is also known, which is what? This is the O bar. Why I am taking only O? Why I am not taking this point? Because I have considered that this point is x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2. So if I interchange these two, then in that case you can take this as a first point. Okay, perfect. So let me write the equation in the form of vector. Okay, r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar. Okay, so a bar is what? It is 0i plus 0j plus 0k plus lambda into bracket. This is what the direction ratio means. What? It becomes the parallel vector. So it becomes 5i minus 2j plus 3k. That's it. This becomes my equation of line in the vector form. So it becomes lambda into 5i minus 2j plus 3k. This is the answer to this question, which is the vector equation of the line which is passing through the origin and the another point. Perfect. Now let's check the next question. Question number 6. Let me copy this. Okay, boss, चल हो गया. Copy तो हो गया. अभी paste कर दो यहाँ पे. It's very simple, boss. Now in this case we have to find out the Cartesian equation of the line. Okay, Cartesian equation means what? It is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. The line which passes through this point, one point is given and another point is given. Okay, again same. So previous question was in terms of vector form. Now this question is in terms of Cartesian form. So this is nothing but 3 minus 2 minus 5 and another point is what is 3 minus 2 and 6. Okay, we have to find out the equation of this line. Okay, so for equation of line, what you require? I already told you. I require the point, I require the parallel vector. Okay, again and again I am telling you, I require parallel vector, I require line. Point, parallel vector. Point, parallel vector. Point पता है आपको? Yes, I will take this as a x1, y1, z1. x1, y1, z1. I will take this as a point. So parallel vector, how we will find out? पैरेलल वेक्टर मतलब क्या है? पैरेलल वेक्टर का मुझे डायरेक्शन रेशियो मिल गया तो भी चलेगा बॉस. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द वेक्टर पैरेलल वेक्टर का डायरेक्शन रेशियो. सो इफ आई कंसीडर दिस एज x2, y2, z2, हाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ दिस लाइन? सो विच इज नथिंग बट x2 माइनस x1, y2 माइनस y1 and z2 minus z1. Perfect. So let's take x2 minus x1 is what? It is a 3 minus 3 comma minus 2 minus minus plus to 0 comma 6 minus minus plus 5. This is what the direction ratio of the my line. So it is 0 comma 0 comma 11. This becomes the direction ratio of this line. Perfect. Now what to do? We know that the first point through which the line is passing. So what is the Cartesian form of the line? Which is nothing but x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. Okay, let's substitute the values. So x minus x1 is what? It is a 3. So these are x1 y1 जोड़ा. By a is what? So this is my a, b and c. A is 0 equals to y minus minus plus 2 by 0 equals to z minus 11 by c is what? Okay, sorry, z plus 5. Okay, z plus 5 upon 11. That's it. This is the answer to my question. Okay, so x minus 3 equals to y plus 2 equals to z plus 5 upon 11. Do not think that this will become the infinity. No, this is not infinity. Okay, so if I want to write, if you want to have this clear idea of what is this equation, then let's equate it, this equal to lambda. Okay, so after equating to the lambda, what equations I will get? Okay, so this part will be equals to lambda. So x minus 3 equals to 0 into lambda. So x minus 3 equals to 0. So x is equals to 3 is the first line. Okay, next line will be what? Y plus 2 equals to 0 lambda. So y plus 2 equals to 0. So y is equals to minus 2. This is my second line. Okay, and the third line will be what? Z plus 5 is equals to 11 lambda. So z is equals to 11 lambda minus 5. This is my third line. Okay, sorry, yes, third line. So this is what direction. Okay, so this is what the equation of line which is passing through these two points. Okay, perfect. So the Cartesian equations of the line becomes what? These are the Cartesian equations of the line, first, second and third. Perfect. Okay, so do not think that this is ये infinity हो गया sir. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay, so this is what the standard form where we show that these are the direction ratio. Direction ratio can be 0. Perfect. Now let's see the question number 7. So it says that, okay, before says that we will copy and paste it. Okay, let's paste it. Find the Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point these two. Okay, now you can solve this question easily. Okay, now I will write this directly. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1. We know that a is what? X2 minus x1. Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equals to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Okay, so if I take this as a x1 y1 z1 and this point as x2 y2 z2, what I will be getting? So x minus 3 upon 1 minus 3 equals to y minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 equals to z minus 1 upon 1 minus 1. Okay, so implies I will be getting x minus 3 upon minus 2 equals to y minus 2 upon 1 equals to z minus 1 upon 0. This is what the answer to this question. Sir, ये हो गया अपना Cartesian equation of a line which is passing through these 2 points. Perfect. Okay, again and again I am telling you, we are just focusing on the 2 points. Okay, the one point which is our line is passing through that point, and another is what? The parallel vector. Okay, so this is in terms of the direction ratios of that parallel. So ये denominator is nothing but the direction ratio of my line. Okay, let's see the question number 8. What it says? Perfect. Let's take. So this is somewhat different question. So first 7 questions are very easy and they are directly formula based questions. Now let's take the find the Cartesian equation. Again we are focusing on the Cartesian equation of the line passing through the points. Okay, so perfect, we get the a bar here and the perpendicular to the vector b bar and c bar. Now see here, suppose this is a c bar and this is our b bar and this is c bar. Tell me what is the perpendicular vector to these two vectors. So it is always the vector b bar cross c bar. Okay, now our desired line is perpendicular to the vector, means what? It is also somewhat like this. This is what our desired line. Okay, this is my desired line. Now tell me, this desired line is parallel to this b bar cross c bar, yes or no? Means what I can say, the direction ratio of these two lines are same. So if somehow if I find out the direction ratio of b bar cross c bar, then the same direction ratio will be there for our desired line. Okay, perfect. So what we get? We get the point through which our line is passing and we get the direction ratio of the parallel vector. Okay, so let's find out the direction ratio of this b bar cross c bar. So first of all, find out the b bar cross c bar. Okay, so what is given information here? So given information is what the point A is given, so 1 comma 1 comma 2 implies a bar becomes, it is I plus j plus 2k. This is what a bar becomes. Now let's find out the b bar cross c bar. b bar cross c bar कैसा निकालते हो? I j k, write down b bar which is 1 2 1 and c bar is 3 2 minus 1. Okay, perfect. So let's find out this determinant. I becomes minus 2 minus j becomes minus 1 minus 3 and plus k becomes, it is 2 minus 6. So let's find out the simplified version of this. So it is a minus 4i, so minus minus plus 4j, and we have minus 4k. Okay, so this is what the b bar cross c bar is. Once you get the vector, now tell me what will be the direction ratio of this b bar cross c bar. These are nothing but simply the coefficients of I, j and k. So this is what the direction ratio of b bar cross c bar. हो गया बॉस, मिल गया डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ b bar cross c bar मिल गया, which is nothing but the parallel vector to desired line. This is nothing but the parallel vector to the desired line. So what we have both the information with us. Okay, first information is what the point through which a line is passing. The second information is what it is the direction ratio of the parallel vector. Okay, so therefore okay, here a bar is what it is. A bar is nothing but I plus j plus 2k, I plus j plus 2k, and b bar becomes what? B bar means what I am taking now. B bar is nothing but the parallel vector. B bar nothing but parallel vector. So it becomes minus 4i plus 4j minus 4k. So what they are asking, vector equation of Cartesian? They are asking for the Cartesian equation. So no need to write down the b in terms of the position vector. Okay. So let me erase this. So I require only the direction ratio. So the direction ratio is nothing but minus 4 comma 4 comma minus 4. So this is nothing but a b c. This is nothing but x1 y1 z1. So which is nothing but 1 comma 1 comma 2. Okay. So let me write down the directly. The Cartesian equation of line is nothing but, okay, which is x minus x1 by a, x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. So if I substitute the values of x1 y1 z1, I will be getting x minus 1 by minus 4, y minus 1 by 4 and z minus 2 by minus 4. That's it. This is my answer to this question. हो गया बॉस. सो अभी कैसा भी क्वेश्चन दे दो बॉस, हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे आसानी से. ओके, पैरेलल वेक्टर दे दो, परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर दे, वी कैन फाइंड आउट answer to any question. Okay, perfect. So let's see the next question now. So next question is what? It is the 9th question. It says that it is somewhat same question. Okay, so just it is given in terms of the Cartesian form. Okay, let me have the space here. So let's paste this. Find the Cartesian equation of the line. Okay, Cartesian बोला है, उसको पहले अंडरलाइन कर दो. Cartesian equation of the line which is passing through point मतलब क्या है, ये a point हो गया, and perpendicular to the lines. Okay, again perpendicular to the lines. So this is what first line. Okay, suppose this is what the second line is, and the perpendicular to this line is what? It is the b bar cross c bar. Okay, so let's take this as n bar and this as m bar. So this will be what? It is m bar cross n bar. So our desired line is also perpendicular to these two, means what? These are the parallel vectors. So parallel vector के direction ratio same होते. So first of all find out this vector m bar cross n bar. Okay, so let me write here what is given. Given is what? It is the point A is given. So 2 comma 1 comma 3, and they are asking for the Cartesian. So Cartesian equation, we know that Cartesian equation of line is x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. Okay, where these points become x1, y1 and z1. Okay, And what will be the ABC? ABC will be the direction ratio of this point. ABC, the direction ratio of this M bar cross N bar. So let's find out M bar cross N bar. Okay, so before that, find out M bar and N bar. So this is what the first line. So this, from this I can find out the M bar. Okay, M bar will be what? So M bar will be equals to so these are the 1, 2 and 3 are the direction ratios of the M bar. Okay, means what will be the position vector of M bar? So it is simply take I, 1 into I plus 2 into j plus 3 into k. Okay, similarly N bar क्या होगा फिर? So N bar equals to minus 3i plus 2j and plus 5k. This becomes my N bar. Now let's find out the M bar cross N bar. So M bar cross N bar will be equals to what it is? I, j, k. Let's take M bar 1, 2, 3 and let's take N bar minus 3 to 5. Okay, so let's solve for this I, j, k. I into bracket 10 minus 6 minus j into bracket 5 minus minus plus 9 plus k into bracket we have 2 minus minus plus 6 which is equals to 4i. So it is 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, so minus 14j and we have 2 plus 6 is 8k. Okay, plus 8k. Perfect. Okay, so what is the direction ratio of M bar cross N bar? Can you tell me? Therefore the direction ratio of M bar cross N bar will be equals to what? It is a 4 minus 14 and 8. So from this now we can easily find out the equation of line. Perfect. So what we have here, we have the point A which is 2, 1, 3. So let me write here 2, 1, 3 is the A point. A point is what it is 2, 1, 3. So the equation becomes x minus 2 upon which is a 4, y minus 1 upon minus 14 and z minus 3 upon 8. So that's it. This is my answer to the question. So this is the equation of line. See here, from this we can cancel out the 2. Okay, so if I remove the 2 into 2, 4. So 2 into minus 7 I will get 7 and 2 4s. So what I can write? X minus 2 by 2 equals to y minus 1 by minus 7 and z minus 3 by 4. You can write this also equation. See, we already know that the direction ratio of the parallel lines are what? They are multiple, scalar multiple of each other. This is the scalar multiple is nothing but 2 here. Okay, so if you write this answer or this answer, both are correct. Or you can write the multiple of this direction ratios. No problem, that will be again the same. That will be the correct answer. Okay, means what I am telling you, if I want to take this scalar multiple as a 10, so I can write the equation like this: x minus 2 by 20 equals to y minus 1 by minus 70 equals to z minus 3 by 40. Yes, this is also correct answer. Don't worry about that. Okay, what is important is the direction ratios which you are writing, those should be the scalar multiple of each other. Perfect. Okay, that's it. With this we will stop here, and the next remaining questions which are a bit difficult questions we will see in the next video. So again I am telling you, in this video we have solved simple questions. Actually not simple we can say, but the concepts are very clear. Okay, that's why these questions become very simple. Just we found out the two information, that is first the point through which our line is passing and the vector. Okay, so in the coming video we will be looking at some questions which are having some different conditions, means the perpendicular vectors and some angle is there. Then in that case how to find out the equation of line. Okay, so be with me and let's crack this miscellaneous exercise together. Okay, so with this we will stop here. Thank you.